Hey guys, it's Steve. Just 2 miles of hiking to see 4 waterfalls. Hi everyone, welcome to Hike with Steve. We are in Cascade Locks, Oregon. To the north of us is the Columbia River. To the south, Mount Hood National Forest. Today, we are going to see 4 waterfalls, hiking just 2 miles. We're at the trailhead, going in one direction. We're gonna see Starvation Falls, which is just a 0.2 mile out and back walk. Going in the other direction, we're gonna see Cabin Creek, Hole in the Wall, and Lancaster Falls, which is just a 1.8 mile out and back hike. It's a beautiful day out. Let's go see those falls. All right guys, we made it to Starvation Creek Falls. Let's take a closer look. All right guys, next up is Cabin Creek Falls. Let's go. All right, we already made it to Cabin Creek Falls. Let's check it out. Okay, next up is Hole in the Wall Falls. Let's go. All right, we made it to Hole in the Wall Falls. Let's take a closer look. Now we're gonna head to the last waterfall, Lancaster Falls. All right, we made it to Lancaster Falls. Let's get a closer look. Alright guys, we made it back to the trailhead. Seeing 4 waterfalls in an easy 2-mile hike was awesome. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. In the comments below, let me know which one of the 4 falls you liked best. If this is your first time checking out my channel and you want to see more awesome waterfalls and more great hikes, then click the subscribe button. Until next time, take care.